welcome to another video. Let's solve for x here. Remember, this one is a quadratic, so the highest bar here is 2. Solution. So we have 50 x squared minus 70 x plus 100 equal to 0. Now, first of all, let's reduce the coefficients since they all end with 0. So we can reduce them by dividing through by 10 or dividing through. So once we do that, this one will vanish, this one will vanish, and this one will vanish. So I'll be left with 5x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. Okay. So let's solve for x as we go by the method of computing of squares. And by the method of computing of squares, we have to first of all make sure the coefficient of x squared here is 1. And here the coefficient is 5. We have no option but to get rid of this 5. And we can only do that by dividing through by 5. So let's go ahead as I do that. So over 5, over 5. So this one over 5 will still be by 0. So this one will go. And this side will be x squared minus. So we have 7 on 5 x plus 10 on 5. That will be 2. So we have this information here. Now this side is 1, so we are free to go. Let's send the constant to the other side. X squared minus 7 on 5x equals to minus 2. Now let's take half of coefficient of x all squared, and we add the result to both sides of the equation. So we have half of what you see here minus 7 on 5. So that will be minus 7 on 10 all squared. So we are adding minus 7 on 10 all squared to both sides of the equation. Okay. So we have x squared minus 7 on 5x. So minus 7 on 10. Minus 7 on 10 all squared minus 2 plus minus 7 on 10 all squared. Okay, so from here, x and minus 7 on 10 all squared will be the left hand side position. So x minus 7 on 10 all squared. So this one all squared is the same as this. Okay, equals to minus 2 plus. So this one squared will be 49 over 100. So x minus 7 on 10 all squared. So 49 over 100 minus 2, 1. We have 100 here. 1 to 100 is 100. So times 2 minus 200, and this side will be 49. So on the calculator, 49, let me clear it first. 49 minus 200 will be minus 151. So x minus 7 and 10 minus 151 over 100. Okay, so let's take square root which size. So that will be, this one will cancel, that will be x minus 7 and 10 equals plus or minus square root of minus 151 over 100. Okay, so we have x minus 7 and 10. So let's write this one as square root of 151 on square root of 100 times square root of minus 1. This one is the same as that. So x will be 7 over 10 plus or minus, this side will be 151 over, this one is a perfect square, 10. And from complex numbers, this one will be I. So we have I here. So let's write the final answer. So we have 7 plus or minus 151 over 10. Okay, so we have I here. So this one is the solution to the equation. All right.